And this is the hardware that they choose to sell the rack with. And this is how it's mounted down. Unfortunately, like I said, it's exposed hardware, it gets hot, and worst of all, it can cut your skin. These are sharp edges, these are sharp threads. You can cut toes, you can snag your toes on this, snag a toenail on this. It's not good. I can't believe that they offered this. I'm sorry to be so harsh, but it really is such a poorly thought out system. So much so that I went ahead and spent a couple dollars over at the hardware store and came up with my own solution. It took me 5 minutes to figure out a superior solution to Kawasaki's offering than this, with this 1.5 inch long bolt. And unfortunately it's metric, which is dash M10, and no one makes any of these knobs that I found in a metric. So I had to go with a carriage bolt. Thankfully it's stainless, but I've already tested this out. You can slide the carriage bolts in, slide these guys in, and we're going to put the cargo rack back on using my solution and show you how absolutely brainless this was and how easy it was for Kawasaki to offer something slightly usable, slightly superior, that didn't require a socket set and could easily go on and easily come off. As you can see, $12 in hardware radically changes anything. Now mind you, yeah, you can probably kick these and snag these. I would actually change to a small rounded knob. I think that would be an even better solution. But anything is better than what the factory is offering here when it comes to these racks. I think it's a simple solution. I think it's something that's safe for kids, safe for people's toes. Not everyone is going to wear a boat shoe or a boat sock while they're riding. They're going to ride barefoot. Let's be really honest, okay? And the last thing you want to do is have exposed metal hardware poking out anywhere on the deck. It just is that's a no-brainer.